eres el imán y yo soy el metal. Me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso. Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Aalu and welcome to another video. Yes, by the introduction, you guys have already guessed it. Yes, I'm gonna do a Despacito again, man. It's already been like 10 months, more than 10 months, I guess. Sorry. It was out in January. Yeah, so it's almost 12 months, man. What almost? It's already 12 months running. So, still it's just conquering all the places, man, conquering all our hearts, the Despacito. Yes, and a Filipino artist, Julie San Jose. Actually, I think I did a reaction video, and yeah, I've been getting a lot of requests to do more and more reaction videos on Julie San Jose. I did, I guess. Yeah, that's the reason I'm getting. I had a lot of comments, requests actually. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a reaction video on Despacito, sung by Julie and San Jose. But before jumping in this video, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, guys. Hit it. Despacito. Okay. Yeah. Okay, she's gonna sing the English version. Okay. Yeah. My heart is on the heart of say, can't away. Make me sensate for every moment. Slowly. Put it on. Your nibble on my. Tu eres el imán, Mongol plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso. Oh yeah, yeah. Ni una pura. Despacito, alarido. Despacito, despacito, saberito, escrito, suave. Favorito. I want to say you one thing. Literally, I watched like tons and tons of videos, man. Tons of, especially on Despacito perform. Even Louis Fonsi, like few hours back, I was watching a Louis Fonsi performance on Despacito. He did not even rap the Daddy Yankee. He did not do the Daddy Yankee, man. But literally, San Jose is singing the Daddy Yankee lyrics. This is the first time an artist. Whatever the performance or live, apart from original singers,